I'm Suti Reddy. I'm the founder and principal of ReadyMade. We're a design studio based in New York City, working around the world. My work generally focuses on architecture, interiors, art installations, and now a research focus on a translational field called neuroaesthetics that looks at the intersection of neuroscience and our brains and our bodies and experiences and how all of that comes together. And I think our environments and our experiences are the perfect place to understand this better. This installation is called Shaped by Air, and it is an installation that's inspired by the Lexus electrified sport. Is really about creating an immersive environment that allows people to understand the ethos of the design of this car, which is based on its aerodynamics and its relationship being electrified to creating a better environment for all of us. I wanted to take the opportunity to be in this beautiful sunlit space to recreate an immersive forest-like feeling through the shapes of the car, which was such an inspiration for what we did in the sculpture garden at the ICA in Miami, where I really just took the shapes of the car, found these kinds of Matisse-like qualities in the shape, which is really driven by aerodynamics, and to take those shapes and create a kind of a moving forest of the car that's deconstructed so that when you go through it, you get to actually see the shape of the car. And here we get to play with light, with shadow, with sound, with smell, and to really bring in this kind of multisensorial, serene aspect, which is also very much part of the experience of being in the car and really feeling like it's your home. So creating this kind of envelope around you that reflects you, but also makes you feel your connection to the world is something that I really wanted to explore here in Milan. My hope is that as people walk through the installation to discover the shapes of the car, they'll be really immersed in this dematerialized landscape that brings all of the shapes together to create a kind of a synthetic denouement.